Hello everyone, I am Ayash Sheikh. I welcome you all in today's video, which is about e-commerce. I will explain everything that you should know about e-commerce. And in the last, I will explain how you can make your 1 crore in any business. No matter what is the background of business, you can able to make that 1 crore. Okay, so let me share my screen and I will explain all this about e-commerce with you.
So, hello friends. So, in this video, we will cover five topics. These five topics we will cover in this video. And first one is introduction. Second one is why e-commerce business, benefit of e-commerce, how you can start your e-commerce, and how you can make your first 1 crore with e-commerce. So, let's start with introduction section. What is e-commerce? The basic definition of e-commerce is buying or selling of product or service via internet. We can also say e-commerce is a electronics form of commerce. Then we will see the type of e-commerce. There are four major types of e-commerce. First one is business to consumer, business to business, consumer to business, and last one is a consumer to consumer. So we will see the example of each type of this section. So, business to consumer. We will take the example of Amazon Prime, where Amazon, a business, selling their subscription to us, consumer. So, Amazon Prime is one of the example of B2C business. Second one is business to business. The most suited example for this category or this type is wholesaler businesses selling their stuff to the retail businesses. They both are the businesses, and this is the example of B2B consumer. Third one is C2B, consumer to business. For this category, blogger are the best example for this category. Blogger provided value through their content to the various business website, and the business website pay for their content. The last one is consumer to consumer. I think OLX will explain this type of e-commerce where we are selling our stuff to other people. Suppose let's see, we are a consumer and we are selling our stuff to the other people, or we can say the consumer. So this is the consumer to consumer. I hope you understand all these four type of e-commerce. So let's go to the next part of this video, why e-commerce businesses. In this we are going to see internet user in India, current e-commerce market size, and people buying behavior. So for internet user in India, I I want to show you the Wikipedia report of internet user in India. So let me search Wikipedia user in India. Net user in Word. Yeah. So actually this is the other side. I want to go to the Wikipedia. So I will put the wiki here. So list of countries by number of internet user. It's loading. So friends, from this Wikipedia report, you can see India is the second largest internet user country in the world after China. 57.6% of total population is using the internet. From this number, you can see the potential of an e-commerce industry and how much it can grow. So let's go to the second topic, which is about current e-commerce market size. For this, I want to show you the statista.com report. So let me search for it. E-commerce market India. Huh, here is the report. Huh. So the report is loading and it's done. Hmm. This data will give an idea about the market size of the e-commerce industry in India. This report is taken from actually this is the Statista report, and it's showing how e-commerce market size growing continuously. In recent pandemic, we saw only e-commerce industry was open and other businesses were shut down. So let's go to the second topic, which is about people buying behavior. So in the past, before 2010, people were afraid to buy things online, but in the past few years people buying behavior has changed so much. Nowadays a huge number of population is doing online shopping. They are no longer afraid to buy stuff from online stores. So this is all about why e-commerce businesses matter and why e-commerce businesses is important. So next we will see benefit of e-commerce. So you can see there are multiple benefits for starting a e-commerce business, but I will explain to you only a few major benefits. First one, see the 24 hours online store. Your website or application, or we can say your online store, will open for 24 by 7 to the people. So the limit of human fatigue or tiredness is eliminated. You can take orders from your customer even if you are sleeping. Second one is no physical presence needed. If you are planning to open a new offline shop, and then you will need a need a huge amount of investment. Before even before the start of selling, you will need the shop, you will need the deposit, rent or etc. But with the e-commerce, you can need only little bit of investment. You only need a website or application and few digital marketing skill. So you can start your product selling online. Next one is it easy to return customers. So friend, when a customer buys from an offline store, then there is a minimum chance that customer will again come to your store. But when you sell something online, then you will take their contact details and you can send them a regular promotional offers or sales offer afterwards. So the chance of retain that customer increases. This is only possible with e-commerce. So these are the three major benefit of e-commerce. So we will go ahead and see how you can start your e-commerce business. For starting an e-commerce business, you only need two things. First one is the product and the other one is the online setup. First we will talk about the product. So if you have a existing product, or if you have a suppose you have a family business or product is already decided, then you only need to set up your online store. But if you don't have a product and you are planning to launch a new product, then you need to do some market research. You, so we will talk about the market research. So what will you do in a market research is understanding the need of your need of the people, what they are looking for, and what they are ready to pay. After doing successfully done the market research, then you can design your product as per the need of your customer or your target audience. After doing that both the steps, the last step is after the decide your target audience. You understand the people needs, then you have designed the product as per need of the last thing you will need to do so last thing is you need to do the exact target need to do find out your exact target audience, who will buy from you, what is their age, where they hang out, etc. So I hope you will got the idea about the product in this video. So next step is the online setup. We will see the online setup here. So once the product is decided, then you will need an online setup to sell your product service online. So you need a website or application, the platform through which you will sell your product or service to your customer. You can build your own website or you can hire a developer for it. Shopify is the best platform to build an e-commerce store. Second one is you need a marketing. After setting up your online store, you can't just sit and wait for the sales. You will need do some kind of marketing to promote your business. Digital marketing is the best way to promote your e-commerce business. The third one is seller account. The companies like Amazon and Flipkart have a huge market caps. You can set up your seller account
on this platform and start selling your product online. So as I promised you in last, we are going to see how you can make your first 1 crore with e-commerce. So for this I want to show you some chart. So let me share my that chart with you. So this is the chart which I was talking about. So go back to the this session, and so you can earn your, or you can make your first crore with this four technique. So you need to sell your 100 rupees product to the 1 lakh customer. So you will earn that 1 crore, 1 crore in your journey. From above image and numbers, it's pretty much clear to you how you can make your 1 crore. In the beginning, you need to sell 100 RS product to the 1 lakh people. Selling 100 rupees product is not a big deal, I think so. And is this age, people spend a lot of money by buying stuff they don't need. So you can sell some useful product or service that can add some values to the people lives, and then no one can stop you to make your first crore. Firstly, this model does not give you the 100% profit, but it will give you the 1 crore in revenue, and trust of that 1 lakh people who bought something from you. In next step, you can sell the 1000 rupees product to the 1000 people. Oh, sorry, 10,000 people. So you can earn the 1 crore again, but this time the profit will be the huge. Or you already have the 1 lakh people who purchase from you. You have gained their trust. So only you. So next time you only need to sell that 10% people from that 1 lakh people. So this is all about this session, which is about everything about e-commerce marketing. So I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video. So let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and what your plan to make your first 1 crore in your business. Thank you, friends.